We can offer custom branded mobile app, but yeah, those are extra cost. But you can use our standard app. You can access the same thing and customize the look and feel yourself, color, icon, and everything yourself.
Yeah, they definitely want to do that.
No, some company they said no, I don't want to install the indoor finder app. I want my NVIDIA app because it's not NVIDIA. I'm not installing it. So those companies pay extra to put the app in the app store.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So,
kind of nice though, because then you can just tell anybody, hey, send out a mass email. This is how we're doing it now.
yeah.
Just download it
Yeah.
from the app store. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Otherwise, you can just download the indoor finder apps. The only
Yeah.
difference between that two apps is you download the indoor finder app. Some people say, no, who's indoor finder? I don't want to download it. But the first time they log in, they just ask you what company you are from. You type in the company name and everything else experience exactly the same anyway.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.